ameliorate, meaning to make something better. Synonyms: improve, enhance. Example: new policies helped ameliorate the situation. Immense, meaning extremely large. Synonyms: huge, enormous. Example: she felt immense joy after the success. Indiscriminately, meaning without careful choice. Synonyms: randomly, blindly. Example: the chemicals were used indiscriminately. Inseparable, meaning impossible to separate. Synonyms: unbreakable, attached. Example: the twins are inseparable. Malign, meaning to speak badly or harmfully. Synonyms: defame, slander. Example: he tried to malign his girlfriend. Layover, meaning a short stay between journeys. Synonyms: stopover, break. Example: we had a layover in Dubai. Appalled, meaning extremely shocked or upset. Synonyms: shocked, horrified. Example: she was appalled by the news. Fathomed, meaning understood deeply. Synonyms: understood, comprehended. Example: he never fathomed her pain. Absurd, meaning completely unreasonable. Synonyms: ridiculous, silly. Example: the idea sounded absurd. Uncouth, meaning rude or lacking manners. Synonyms: rude, impolite. Example: his uncouth behavior embarrassed everyone. Presumptuous, meaning overconfident or disrespectfully bold. Synonyms: arrogant, bold. Example: it was presumptuous of him to decide alone.